ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. Welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We are live from the studios in Long Beach through RadioCentroamerica.com and LMBRoots.com radio in New York. Every Wednesday from 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We bring to you the best of recording artists, musicians, producers, and musical directors behind Garifuna Music. So welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga and enjoy my show tonight. All right.
Okay.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we want to welcome, vamos a darle la bienvenida a uno de los talentos más heavy, más pesados de Honduras. Le damos la bienvenida a Rolando Chichimán Sosa. Yes.
Okay.
Welcome, Numada.
Bueno,
Muito guño. Y de Viña.
Bueno, hubo diato nomás, hubo diato sungarino bu. Ida hanyaje ye, buye bueno. Lo suntiga bafu, subusi muti, surgu ila mutu, lida hanula dan. Solo lidiri ga ya bongo di. Pero mosu wando ni lagila kusam. Aha, buye to nomás ida binaga yenge.
Magada tina abuti, itarala. Okay, so we're going to welcome Mr. Rolando Chichi Sosa. He was born in Honduras on the Caribbean coast of Central America in the village known as Sambo Creek. Rolando Chichi Sosa is considered by Belizean recording company Stone Tree Records as one of the greatest Garifuna musicians ever. He began his career playing the Garifuna drums known as the Garaun, and then he moved on to playing trap drums, the trap set. Today he plays over 22 different instruments. Chichiman is the musical composer and the musical genius behind over 55 songs for Stone Tree Records, including the #1 world music hit album Watina by Andy Palacio. He is also the composer and arranger of all 12 songs on Aurelio Martinez's groundbreaking album Garifuna Soul, and several tracks on Martinez's sophomore album La Rubeya. His unique sound can also be heard on several tracks on the Umalali Garifuna Women's Project. Most recently, he has worked on Kobo, Towns, Jumbi in the Jukebox. Also, Danny Michel's Blackbirds Are Dancing All Over Me, and the latest album from the Garifuna collective, Ayo. Chichiman played a pivotal role in founding the Garifuna collective that toured with Andy Palacios back in the days. He spent time in Belize and Honduras auditioning musicians and, of course, creating the band. Subsequently, he performed the same task in developing the new Garifuna Soul Band in support of Aurelio Martinez. Chichiman, as I like to call him, has traveled the globe energizing audiences while performing with both the Garifuna Collective and the Garifuna Soul Bands. He has spearheaded and appeared on stages in the Middle East, in Africa, in Europe, in the Orient, in the North and South America, of course. He was recognized by Womex for his contribution to Watina. That was the award that Andy Palacio received prior to his death. Danny Michel accolades about Chichi indicates, quote, multi-instrumentalist Rolando Marcelino Chichiman Sosa Martinez as a musical legend from Honduras. Currently, Chichi has developed his own parranda band, Garifuna Jazz, as he launches his solo career. Chichi is the first Garifuna artist to set in motion his career at the legendary marquee New York City nightclub SOB's Sounds of Brazil. Recently, he was interviewed on WFMU 91.9 FM, 91.9 FM, of course, 90.1 FM, Trans-Pacific Sound Paradise, with world music radio host Rob Weisberg. Chichiman Sosa, mi hermano, bienvenido esta noche. Te estamos dando la bienvenida con 21 cañonazos. Gracias. 21 cañonazos como te lo mereces, realmente.
Gracias.
Bueno, con esa presentación yo creo que, wow, tenemos muy poquito que decir, pero yo quiero ir de tu persona, principalmente de lo que viene del fondo de tu corazón, Chichiman. Tenemos una audiencia en todo Estados Unidos, tenemos en Los Ángeles a través de Radio Centroamérica, tenemos allá en Nueva York a través de lmbroots.com radio y también a través del globo terráqueo, a través del internet. Así es de que, bienvenido y contanos qué se siente ser alguien de Sambo Creek, una región tan linda de Honduras.
Sí, bueno, yo soy nacido en Corozal, en la aldea de Corozal, pero ya crecí ya en Sambo, como mi mamá se mudó para Sambo, entonces eso fue el confuso que nosotros teníamos. Pero yo soy de los dos lados. De los dos lados soy. Yo soy de Corozal y de Sambo. Ok, sí, hermano, ajá.
Dale.
Música, la música yo la tomo como un patrimonio para la humanidad, para que para aquellos que se siente, para aquellos que sienta el corazón, mandar tocar un instrumento, eso es la persona que soy yo. Entonces, nací para la música, yo hago música gracias a Dios y a mis ancestros. Bueno, yo le voy a contar desde que yo tenía 4 años de edad, yo me di cuenta que una persona que me estaba llamando en la oscuridad a las meras 12 de la noche, pero gracias a Dios que mi abuelita me agarró y me metió otra vez para la casa. Wow. Pero a los años se me metió ese espíritu como un espíritu musical. Entonces desde aquel entonces, hermano, yo estoy haciendo música y estoy, para servirle a cualquier cantante que esté disponible para mi persona, para ayudarlo también.
Yes, man. Beautiful. Thank you, man. Chichiman. We're going to switch a little bit to English. We have a lot of Belizeans. They love you, man. They love you. They take you as one of their own. Belizean people love your music. They love your talent. And you spend so much time traveling to Belize that sometimes I believe you're a bloody Belizean, my brother.
Yes. I was in Dangriga. We record some music in Hopkins with Stone Tree too. We record in Hopkins, Watina, and Umalali too.
Yes.
Okay, the original song, Aurelio, it was in Dubini, with La Rubella Boys from Belize, right? And then, Iran, it was facing the material over there, forget about the material there. He tell me, I really have a CD here, man, and let me put it to you, and you see what can you do. Okay, man, okay, put it. And he put it a CD, right? Oh wow! I work with the CD, with Yalifu, all the Santo Negro. Santo Negro, you mean?
I love that song.
Black Jesus, you see, like a Señor de Esquipula. Okay, and most of the songs, Mala Mujer, all the songs. Beautiful. I recorded for the Stone Tree record. It was come out good, and because I really win Rolex, the first place in the Rolex. They give him some gifts, like a Rolex stuff, watch stuff, and $50,000.
Wow.
Okay, he was welcome to him, right? Okay, I did the material, and he got all the things, you see? Yeah. I'm blessed because I'm very proud of me, because I did a lot of things to Stone Tree, especially a lot of things to Belize. God bless Belize.
Yes, man. Buena onda. Fíjate, Chichimán, que realmente la gente de Belice, especialmente la comunidad garífuna, te ha acogido con mucho corazón. Te han dado esa bienvenida como un hermano, como parte de Belice, ¿no? Y yo creo que eso es la tradición, es tradición entre la comunidad garífuna, de que no hay divisionismo, no hay fronteras, garífuna es uno, esté donde esté, viva donde viva. Entonces yo creo que eso es lo que ha ocurrido con tu persona, que ha sido acogido y cuando llegas a Belice, te abren las puertas y realmente, musicalmente hablando, muy respetado, correcto. Entonces, ¿nos podías traducir otra vez al español la historia que nos acabas de contar ahorita de trabajando con el álbum de Aurelio, el de Santo Negro y el de La Rubella?
Sí, Aurelio Martínez tenía un material ahí guardado con Iván Durán, Iván Durán lo tenía archivado ahí guardado. Entonces, después de hacer Watina así, y Umalali, nos fuimos para Benque y nos quedamos ahí platicando con Iván. Aquí hay un material de Aurelio Martínez. Me gustaría que lo escuchara para ver si lo puede arreglar.
Ajá.
Entonces le digo yo, no, póngamelo. Entonces me lo puso. Entonces le digo, ok, yo lo voy a hacer de mi manera ahora. Solo déjame la guitarra de Aurelio y la voz. Entonces empecé a trabajar con ellos, con los tambores, de meter los tambores, después de meter los tambores, las maracas, después de las maracas, el arpegio de guitarras atrás, después el bajo. Entonces a todos 12 canciones de Aurelio, yo le hice la música de nuevo, ¿me entiendes? Entonces, pero él ganó el premio Rolex allá en Londres.
Ajá.
Le dieron $50,000 y le dieron un reloj ahí de Rolex que le costaba $25,000, parece. Wow. Pero está bien, y bueno, él no me tiró ni para los frescos, pero que Dios lo bendiga, ¿me entiendes?
Bueno, lo que pasa es de que yo creo que el trabajo de la música es un trabajo de equipo. Y yo sé que has contribuido mucho al éxito, no solamente de Aurelio Martínez, sino de varios artistas que han trabajado, incluyendo Andy Palacio. Y yo creo que Dios te va a remunerar eventualmente. Yo creo que vas a tener esa cosecha de lo que has sembrado, porque eres un hombre de bien, eres una persona que da de corazón y honestidad, ¿verdad? Entonces yo creo que tu recompensa viene, hermano, no te preocupes por eso.
Sí, yo sé.
Entonces, queremos darle la bienvenida a la audiencia que nos escucha allá en Nueva York. Tenemos mucha gente que nos está escuchando ahorita, también en Los Ángeles, California. Así es de que te voy a dar una oportunidad para que saludes a toda la mara en Garífuna y a toda la gente de las 46 comunidades garífunas de Honduras que residen en Brooklyn, en el Bronx y aquí en Los Ángeles también. Y allá en Honduras, por ejemplo, que nos están escuchando a nivel mundial. Así es de que toma tu tiempo para saludar a toda la mara en tu lengua materna, hermano. ¿Qué motea?
Ok.
Dale, papá. Saluda a tu gente en Garífuna.
Bueno, más allá aquí en Nueva York, lo va a ligar, pero uno lo vale, no me llama rezo. Cuando fuiste, güey, no subo, güey. Especialmente tú, no, si hago tu sambo. Tú, no, güey, para mi señora ahí, en la Ceiba, Victoria Celaya. Ajá, y para esa gente de Corozal, su mucho a Corozal, baña, Guirita, na, La Habana, bueno, y voy a ir a Babu, su mucho. Y lo va a decir, Felipe, como le felicitar mucho, lo hace que ni buit,
Ítala, Zungarena Gunomada. Ajá. Entonces, te celebramos como una persona de éxito, una persona que realmente viene a contribuir a la comunidad garífuna, a la cultura. Gracias. Y por eso es de que te han dado la oportunidad en esta presentación que vas a tener en Nueva York, esta presentación que va a ser el próximo 11, que es el día domingo, a partir de las 9 de la noche. Contanos acerca de este evento. Va a ser en vivo at the Shrine.
Ya, con buena música.
Ajá.
Sí, con buena música y invitamos a todas las personas que les gusta la parranda. Vamos a tener un poco de armonizado, un poco de guinché, un poco de Yancunú, vamos a ver un poco de Yancunú. Bueno, va a haber mucha alegría. Va a haber mucha alegría ahí.
Buena onda.
Sí.
Así es que, ladies and gentlemen,
estoy tratando de dejar toda la cultura para que todo el mundo la conozca, ¿me entiendes?
Yes, man, nice. Dejamos de anunciarlo en inglés rapidito para que la gente sepa. Rolando Chichimán Sosa will be performing at the Shrine, Garifuna Music with Rolando Chichimán Sosa and the Garifuna Jazz Band on Sunday, January 11th. Showtime is at 9 p.m. The address is 2271 Adam Clayton Powell Jr. Boulevard, 7th Avenue, in New York, New York. So this is one of the best performances of the year. We start in 2015 with a wonderful performance by one of the best parranderos, Mr. Rolando Chichimán Sosa. So if you want more information, please hit us on our Facebook page at Ronnie Figueroa. Also Gafu Garifuna. I will be posting this beautiful flyer for this event coming up this Sunday, January 11, 2015. Así es que, Rolando, otra pregunta que te quiero hacer, cuéntanos de tu familia. ¿Eres casado? ¿Cuántos niños tienes? ¿Cómo está la situación?
Bueno, no, yo estuve casado, pero tuve un poco de mala suerte con mi matrimonio. Los cachos siempre aparecen por ahí, y entonces ahorita yo tengo una buena mujer que estoy con ella ya por 10 años. Es una china india, la mamá de ella es china y el papá es indio, es de Tegucigalpa, nació en Tegucigalpa. Y tenemos un bebé bien hermoso con ella ahorita, a Rolandito, Justin Rolando se llama, que tiene 3 añitos de vida. Y bueno, igualito a su papá. Yo igualito a su papá.
¿Qué motea? De guapo, como vos. Ay. Yes, man, nomada. All right, nice. Ajá. Rolando, entonces, por ahorita te encontrás de gira en Nueva York. ¿Hay hay planes para viajar aquí con nosotros a Los Ángeles, California? Es la segunda cuna más grande de garífunas en los Estados Unidos. Nos gustaría saber qué planes hay.
Yo estoy disponible para todos ustedes, lo que me quieran llevar, donde quiera. A Los Ángeles me gustaría ir porque yo he estado también participando en Los Ángeles en diferentes eventos, especialmente con parques que nos han llevado ahí. Sí, me gustaría ir a Los Ángeles.
Buena onda.
Yo estuve viviendo en Los Ángeles también.
No, sí, yo la vez pasada cuando estuviste de paso aquí con Aurelio Martínez tuvimos la oportunidad de saludarte. También cuando andabas de gira con Garifuna Collective, mucha gente.
Con Andy, sí. Cuando estábamos ahí en el parque, ahí en un escenario abierto.
Esa es la concha acústica aquí del MacArthur Park en Los Ángeles.
Sí.
Ajá. Bueno, queremos enviar un saludo muy cordial a Erika, que nos escucha allá en Texas, en Houston, Texas. También a Dora Najarro Valenzuela, aquí en el Valle de Los Ángeles. Mimi Eligio, Reina Fuluri Arriola, Carlos Gamboa también nos escucha esta noche. Arlex Castillo y Mayra Martínez, allá en Honduras está Arlex, él es miembro del Ballet Folclórico Garífuna de Honduras, nos está escuchando, es el pianista del grupo. También a Frank Palacio y Mr. Lali Núñez allá en Black Coral Café, restaurante en Las Vegas, Nevada. Así es de que, entonces a mi gente linda, gracias por estar en sintonía con Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ La Buga. Vamos a tocar una melodía, Chichimán. Este estilo que tocas, este estilo de la canción con la que abrí el show que se llama Beba, la quiero tocar otra vez. Es una canción rica. Me gusta el sabor ese que le das con el sax, con el saxofón y todo eso. Ese estilo es raro, ese estilo es más que todo hondureño. He oído un par de grupos guatemaltecos de antaño que tocaban en tu estilo y ese es un estilo que...
fue una idea mía, que yo le metí los saxofones con un alto, yo le metí la primera que es el alto y le metí el tenor que es un saxofón ya más grande.
Wow.
Entonces yo lo grabé con un saxofón alto.
Qué excelente, buen trabajo. Yo creo que eso fue una idea que realmente vino a relucir y a traer nuevamente el estilo clásico hondureño de cómo graban la punta y la parranda. Así es de que, ladies and gentlemen, vamos a escuchar. We're going to take a listen to this song called Beba. It's a brand new recording from Rolando Chichi Sosa. I call him Mr. Chichiman Sosa. And he is here live and direct from New York on Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We're going to take a little break while we play this song. I hope you enjoy it. I love the song. And we shall continue. Vamos a continuar con la entrevista después de esta melodía. So, kemotea, wabinaha, wafeduha. Ice. Wow, beautiful song. Me gusta, me gusta, me gusta.
Gracias, hermano.
Hisi tuburemo nuno mada. Ajá. Chamuti.
Thank you,
Ajá. Bueno, y queremos anunciarle a toda la gente que el fanpage, la página de su fanaticada está en Facebook, bajo facebook.com/chichi.eci. Una vez más, one more time. Let me say it in English. For those who want to visit the fan page for Mr. Chichiman Sosa is Facebook.com/Chichi, CHI, right? .ECI. That's the fan page. Also, for those of you who won't be able to make it to the performance on Sunday, the performance will be aired live online. The web address for this performance will be published on his fan page on Sunday. So be on the lookout, ladies and gentlemen. Así es de que tremenda rola esta, mi amigo Numada Rolando. Qué rico ese feeling de esa rola, man. Me gusta. Yo creo que esa es la que voy a tocar para este party este sábado que voy a estar tocando allá en el Club Q18. ¿Qué motea?
Ok, gracias. Gracias, hermano.
Buena onda.
Sí, tengo otro proyecto también estoy buscando a los parranderos aquí en Nueva York para podernos reunir y hacer una grabación de parranda. Quiero ayudar a la persona que nadie ha podido decirle que son tantos y nadie le ha podido decir te voy a ayudar, pero yo estoy queriendo ayudar a todos los parranderos para un proyecto que tal vez con el futuro se pueda realizar, viajar y presentarlo allá en Europa, pero primero tenemos que practicar y después de practicar ya después.
And I think he's the one behind a lot of the recordings that we don't even know yet. There is so much music that came out of Stone Tree Studios in Belize that we don't know, which one was which because he did so much for Ivan Duran.
Yeah, and the concern and the credit that was not given to him is what we're taking. Right. We don't want him to give us the credit, give Chichi. We're taking the credit. Right. Because we know that Ivan Duran, in his dream, cannot make a paranda song. Okay? And I say, right. In his dream, he cannot make a paranda song.
Right, yeah.
All right? We know who did all of that stuff for Stone Tree. And Ivan Duran needs to really just step up to the game and be truthful and say, Chichi made all the music, man. If he put a guitar riff here and there, we know who made the music. We know who laid down the beat.
Yeah, I agree.
So this is what energizes me. This is what energizes my partner, our business partner Pablo, and the rest of us who are working in this project. To also show and prove that there is not only one Garifuna artist in the world, and that there are more. Because word comes back to us that such and such is saying that after him there's no more.
Wow.
So that's a bold-faced lie. And we're going to show it to be a lie.
Good point, man. A good point. I have to agree with you on that one. Yes. Yeah. And you know what? It's so funny, though, that in the process of me taking your call, I accidentally cut off Chichiman from the line. So I'm going to call him back. But don't worry about that. So, Hector, I really appreciate you calling in. I think this enhances the interview. This gives us a little bit more background of the kind of work that you guys are doing with Chichiman. And hopefully things will go accordingly as planned, because I know you guys are very meticulous and very professional at what you guys do. And I wish you the best. I am looking forward to listening to the concert on Sunday. So hopefully we'll get that fan page link put on Chichiman's page so that those of us who are on the West Coast or in Central America are able to tune in and listen to the concert. How's that?
Yeah, I must say, Ronnie, the mix that you have of Beba is a rough mix.
Oh, okay.
When this project is all said and done, when this project is all said and done, Ronnie, and, you know, we wanted, as ECI, we want to distinguish ourselves for the quality of our projects and the quality of our work.
Wow.
You know, what I'm going to say is this. When this project is said and done, Chi-Chi's project, the Baranderos project, our intention, Ronnie, is to take Garifuna music and bring the quality of Garifuna music up to the level of what VP Records does for reggae.
Yeah, hold on, man. Let me take the call in. Is Rolando Chichiman calling back? Don't hang up. Okay, I think we got you guys. Let's see. In current call and answer. No, I want to do a conference call. So let's go merge. Okay, good. Okay, Chichiman, welcome back. Hello.
Hello.
Ya, Chichiman. Bienvenido, hermano. Tenía la llamada de Héctor Zapata y por contestarla te corté, pero tenemos a Héctor en la otra línea también.
Ok. Aquí está Pablo todavía.
Ah, claro que sí. Héctor, ¿me escuchas? Vamos a ver. Man, ¿cómo le hacemos aquí? Ok, so no importa. Pongamos a Pablo otra vez, por favor.
Ok, Pablo. Yes, sir.
Yes, Numada. Hablemos entonces. Let's talk, man. I was trying to do merge the call on my phone, but you know, I guess my technology is not that advanced yet on my phone. ¿Qué motea? So let's continue, man. Hector gave me a lot of information. I don't know if you're able to monitor the interview, but Hector was talking large and wide and explaining all the stuff that's behind the scene, including the fact that the song that we heard, Beba, is a rough cut. It's not the final product, and that makes a lot of sense, you know, and because when you listen to the song, it's a little rough, but it's nice once you put those vocals the proper way, man. The song is just going to, boom, burst in the scene.
Yes, indeed. It still needs to be, there's some things that need to be added to it, as well as it needs to be mixed and mastered as well.
Okay, so not a problem, man. But I love it, man. I could tell you that the song is so catchy. The song has the style. You know, I'm comparing this song to the brand new song that Bruno Mars just put out there. I think it's called something funky something.
Yeah.
Man, nice. You know, bringing back that old flavor of that parranda music of back in the days, you know. So it's just exciting, you know. I get all excited because I love Garifuna music and I appreciate music like this. You know, it just brings back good memories and brings the flavor and the quality of Garifuna music to the forefront.
Indeed. And nobody else, if we look at Chi-Chi's track work, I mean, in regards to actual albums and the work that he's put in, I mean, he's worked on over 50 songs for Stone Tree. So he has the resume, you know, to dish out hits. I mean, Wati now won a Womex Award.
Yes.
And it's the most sold world music album on Amazon.com.
Wow, that's amazing. That's amazing.
So there's more music coming from this side, and we're very excited. We're very excited to be pushing this out to the public and listen to people like you get excited over the music. That just gives me more energy, me and myself more energy to do what we need to do.
Yes, definitely, man. Hector was texting me on the other side on Facebook. Actually, he says when we play the next song, which we're gonna do right now, we're gonna do a conference call so we could all be on the same page at the same time. And he wants you to do conference from your phone. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna introduce the next song. This is Rolando Chichiman Sosa, and of course his management team, Pablo Blanco and Hector Zapata, who will be joining us after this song. We're gonna play. What is the name of this next tune, man? I could not really figure out the name because of the way that the file was sent. It kind of like screwed up the name. I think it's Biema Tigibu.
Biema Tigibu.
Biema Tigibu.
Biema Tigibu. My Garifuna writing is gonna get up to par.
double face, right?
Yes.
Doble cara. A two-faced person. See? Yes. I'm not good at translating yet. I'm translating literally. So, Biama Tigibu. This is another tune from Rolando Chichiman Sosa. Ladies and gentlemen, you're listening to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We're going to play this song while we get into the conference call. So I'll wait for Pablo and Hector to get together so they could call me from one line and we could get back to the show with Chichiman Sosa and the team behind Chichiman, ECI, Elite Carob International. ¿Qué, Motia?
Okay.
Lui basaga buria. Lui basaga buria. Luba buyara yana me luduwaga nale afara gudana me luo biyamatikibo lauri mulato bimina geirugo luba buyara yana me luduwaga nale afara gudana me luo biyamatikibo lauri mulato bimina geirugo. Basaga buria. Lui basaga buria. Luba buyara yana me luduwaga nale afara kutana me luo biyamatikibo lauri mulato bimina yugo luba buyara yana me luduwaga nale afara kutana me luo biyamatikibo lauri mulato bimina yugo. Minatina Saminatina Hallelujah benidie la gelo papa la puyanire atulaye aba hako haragarina go Hallelujah benidie la gelo papa la puyanire atulaye aba hako haragarina go She did it on somebody else. Basaga buria. Lui basaga buria. Abuyara yana me luduwaga nale afara kudana me luo biyamatikibo lauri mulato bimina yugo kutana meluo ya matikibo la ulimulato bimina de yuko ya matikibo la ulimulato bimina de yuko ya matikibo la ulimulato bimina de yuko wakina hayonga o bimina de yuko wakutana me o bimina de yuko wakina hameja bimina de yuko wakutana me o bimina de yuko wakukule hameja bimina de yuko wakutana me bimina de yuko Chichima, Mbiatele Nuguchu, Baby Sang.
Welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We are live from the studios in Long Beach through radiocentroamerica.com and lmbroots.com radio in New York. Every Wednesday from 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We bring to you the best of recording artists, musicians, producers, and musical directors behind Garifuna Music. So welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga and enjoy my show tonight. We're going to listen to this tune where Chichiman had a appearance as well.
Watatura lugu bunirinu, watatura lugu bunirinu, sin precio, dige guniri bae, haroni duhenyo, nega na begi bae, sin precio, dige guniri bae, haroni duhenyo.
Beautiful song, beautiful song. Ladies and gentlemen, we're back. This is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We have the ECI team, the management team behind Rolando Chichiman Sosa on the line now, straight from New York. So we're going to welcome Hector Zapata, Pablo Blanco, and of course the man, Rolando Chichiman Sosa. Welcome, you guys. Welcome back.
Thank you, Rami.
Thanks for having us.
It's a pleasure, man, to have young, talented people like you as part of the management team of Elite Care of International, the management team behind Rolando Chichiman Sosa and many, many more projects to come. So welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. And we want to welcome you to my show after you guys were the first show that I did way back when we were talking about the future of Garifuna Music. That was the first show we did, and it's actually recorded. I have it on SoundCloud.
Wow. We're here. We're working. We told you then that we would be working on Garifuna Music and moving towards the future. And we're still on that path, Ronnie. We got a long way to go. We're still on that path.
God bless you guys. God bless you. So let's talk the show on Sunday. Give us more details. The microphone is open for you guys, and let's do it.
Well, I mean, I've been to the rehearsals this past week, Ronnie, and all I can tell you is, man, the rhythms, the breaks, the drops, this is going to be a total presentation of Garifuna Music with the spice added by Rolando Chichi Sosa.
Wow,
I mean, we're talking about punta, paranda, Tangi B, Gunche, Wanaragua, you might even throw in a little Coropatia. Chichi knows a lot of rhythms, man. Chichi knows a lot of rhythms, and because this is a world music conference event, we don't know who's going to show up.
That's right.
And Chichi's going to put his. I'm excited. I'm super excited just from what I've heard in practice, and with new amplifiers. I'm just imagining what that sound is going to be like coming through the sound system at the shrine.
Well, let me tell you, man. I haven't been to the rehearsals, but I heard these two songs, and I just heard this song called Biama Tigibu. Man, I love it. I love that style of parranda that Chichiman Sosa has infused in the music from Andy Palacio, in the music from Aurelio Martinez, in the music from La Rubella drummers, and so many more, and now into his own project. This is beautiful. I love it. And I hope that he continues to use that saxophone in the background because it enhances the music and it brings it to a different level. I love it.
Oh, yeah. Sure. Like I was telling you earlier, our goal as ECI is to distinguish ourselves with the quality of the music that we intend to, produce and really make it at such as the same level at which VP Records makes reggae music. And we can do it. We can do it, Ronnie. I always say, we live in the United States. We live in New York City. We have access to all the technology that we need. If we have to save our pennies, dimes, and dollars to get that technology, there's no reason why we should not be our music should not be at that same quality level as reggae music is. We know the secret.
Yes.
We know what to do. And we have the personnel to do so. And I'll just leave it at that.
Yes, no, man, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. I really praise you guys again for the type of vision that you guys have for such a talented man as Rolando Chichiman Sosa. I have heard the music. I've seen the man perform before, but I never seen Chichiman at this level where he is in the forefront. He's in the battlefront, and the man deserves to be taken to the level that he's going to be taken this weekend, because I could see the quality, I could see the talent, I could see the raw music that is coming out of his heart, and it's beautiful.
Yes, and you're the first one to really broadcast the music as well, Ronnie. So those two songs are pretty much exclusive to you.
Thank you.
And we're happy that you're able to play them for us.
Oh, man, I love them. And don't worry about distribution. These songs stay here. They don't go nowhere unless I get hijacked or somehow they hijack my computer. That's the only way they're going to get it.
Okay.
Yeah. So, Pablo, let's talk about the future of Chichiman. He was talking about recordings with other talented parranderos such as Nino Arzu and Figaga. So are we talking about a brand new album that should be coming out where you're going to have guest artists that are going to join him in the recording? Are we talking about touring the United States and Europe? If you want to talk about it, let's go ahead and talk about it. If not, then you could also keep it as, because you gotta protect your projects, because there's a lot of competition out there and you don't want this to get diluted.
Indeed. We are working on a Parranda project. That's the tentative name of it right now, in which we're going to have other vocalists from the community lend their voice to this project. And the music is going to be done by Chichi, of course, and Nino Arzu and Emilio Nunez. Those are just a few people that's going to be included in the project. There's going to be others that we'll name at a later date. But it's going to be an all-star cast of people that sing parranda music, and the music is going to be done by Chichi.
Oh, yes, definitely. I would not expect anything less. Yeah, if the man has been behind big projects like Santo Negro and La Rubella and Watina and the Garifuna Women's Project, why not his own project where you guys are under the management team? I think that's the greatest thing that could ever happen to Mr. Sosa. He's living in New York at this point, or he's still traveling back and forth between Honduras, Belize, and New York?
He's in New York right now. Currently, he's here in New York working on this project, furthering his music career as a solo artist, and taking care of his family. You know what I mean? Really, when it comes down to it.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. Yeah. He's one man that depends on music. He lives off of music, right? 100%.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, man. Yes, sir. Exactly.
That's the difference.
Exactly. Yeah,
Go ahead.
He's working on other people's projects as well. He's producing other albums in addition to his own at the current moment. So he's pretty much busy.
Yes, man. I think that a musician that is full-time has a lot more to offer because he's able to focus only on what he likes to do, which is music. It is hard for me to imagine, even though I'm not saying that a musician should not work. What I'm saying is that it's ideal for a musician to be fully immersed in the music business because that's what he's going to be living off of, and it allows him to be engulfed and to be able to fully develop that talent, and to the level that becomes professional, where he gets hired to do drums for this band, backup vocals for this lead singer, keyboard for this musician, a bass line for that musician, and so on and so forth. So I'm thinking Victor Arzu type, somebody who is at that level,
Mm-hmm.
Right, that is the end goal. That is the end goal, and we're taking the steps towards that in doing those things with Chi-Chi's career. As an artist, there's no greater thing than to see an artist evolve within his craft. Like I said, if you look at Chi-Chi's track record, I mean, he's definitely evolved as a producer, composer, arranger, and the evolution is ongoing because I see it in the rehearsals. A lot of different sounds, a lot of different melodies and harmonies, breaks, and so forth are coming out. And these are breaks. And I listen to a lot of music, Ronnie. I listen to a lot of music. Trust me. I never heard these breaks before.
Right.
I never heard these breaks. And, and used in the Garifuna music. I heard them in other genres, but when you use those type of those song structures or instrumentational structures, if you will, in Garifuna music, it takes a totally different turn, and the sound it sounds good.
Oh yeah,
when you incorporate it into Garifuna music.
Yeah, as I was listening to the song Biama Tigibu. I told you, I messenger you that this is the song. I love it. I mean, it's just the arrangements. Right. It is the quality of arrangements within the song, and the lyrics beautiful. It's at the world music level.
Indeed. Yeah, I mean, we're Chi-Chi's ready. He's ready. He's a humble man. I've never met a Garifuna musician more humble than Chi-Chi.
I have to agree with that.
We're talking about a person whose music is going around the world relative to others whose music has not circulated the world.
Right.
The humility should be there for all of them. But the one whose music has circulated is the most humble of them all. So it's
That's
an honor. It's paradoxical, ain't it?
Yes.
But it's an honor, man. I mean, I'll say it over and over again. It's an honor for me to work with Chi-Chi, to be able to, develop the quality of images and write-ups and, make sure that the music is at world-class standards in terms of quality.
Yes,
that's our job.
No, for you, for sure.
And, we guys like yourself, Ronnie, we just pass it on to you, and, you guys enjoy it, man.
No, definitely. I am enjoying this, man, and I'm glad that was the opening song that I did, which is, let me see, Beba. I loved it. But definitely, it is the raw copy of the song that will finally get into the studio and get masterized and the vocals and everything, of course. But it's already a hit. I already heard it. I love it. I love Beba and I love Biama Tigibu. I love those two songs, man. I gotta give it to you guys and to Chichiman Sosa for putting this kind of music in the forefront. So let's talk to the man. Is he there playing with the piano? I hear him in the background.
Yes, he is. He's still here right next to me. Let me pass him off to you right now.
Yes, sir.
Nibiri Chichiman, man, estamos hablando de tu persona.
Yes, my brother.
Estamos hablando de tu persona en todo momento. No dijimos nada negativo de tu persona, sino positivo. Porque sabemos el calibre de músico que eres, ¿no? Así es de que quiero que nos cuentes un poco del proyecto en el cual estás trabajando con otros artistas. ¿Has estado ayudando a otros artistas en sus materiales? Por ejemplo, si puedes mencionar a quienes has ayudado últimamente en sus grabaciones, aparte de lo tuyo.
Sí, no, ahorita yo estoy ayudándole a un compa mío que se llama Beto. Le dicen su nombre artístico es Fiel. Entonces ya estamos ya para tirar un parranda con él también. Solo falta un poco de trabajo y para que se lance el disco. Lo que pasa es que ahorita el muchacho que nos está ayudando a grabar, él trabaja con la ciudad manejando buses, entonces no ha tenido tiempo esos días. Pero yo creo que vamos de la próxima semana esta que viene, yo creo que vamos a empezar a terminar ese proyecto para que se realice ese disco de Fiel.
Excelente. Algunos recuerdos.
Él es de Limón.
Oh, él es de Limón.
Sí, de Limón. Sí.
Fiel. Vamos a escuchar mucho.
Sí.
Ladies and gentlemen, remember that name, the name of the brand new musician who is being trained and, of course, who is recording in the studio along with Chichiman Sosa is Fiel, F-I-E-L, Fiel. In Spanish, it means faithful one, a faithful person, right? ¿Qué motea? Entonces, I want you to remember that name because along with Chichiman, I think they're coming out with a brand new parranda that is promising to be a hit, okay? So, check that out. Chichiman, en tus presentaciones que has tenido a nivel mundial, ¿me puedes mencionar alguno de los escenarios que más te ha impresionado al haber llegado y haber presentado tu repertorio? ¿Dónde?
Sí, bueno, bastante escenarios yo he llegado que a mí me ha gustado, pero el que me ha gustado más es en Switzerland. Cuando me encontré con ese estrella, un saxofonista mundial que se llama Mano de Bomba.
Africano.
Sí, que hizo Soul Makusa.
Oh, ya, wow.
Ajá.
Makusa, ya.
Yo me encontré con esa gente. Sí. Y entonces, bueno, después que nosotros tocamos, eso fue con Andy Palacio, que fue a Switzerland, después que nosotros tocamos, siguió Mano de Bomba, y después de Mano de Bomba, estaba el señor Noel. El señor Noel es africano, pero él vive en París, Es un tremendo músico también, que un músico que yo, bueno, un músico tremendo músico, es un viejito, pero, ay Dios mío, es salsero, él toca salsa africana, Dios mío.
¿Quién es? Sí. ¿Cómo se llama?
Ese se llama,
no es Ricardo Lemba.
¿Cómo lo digo ahorita? No, ese es Noel. Sí.
Noel.
Ese es Papa Noel.
Oh, ya.
Papa Noel. Sí, Papa Noel. Él vive en
Francia.
En París vive, sí.
Sí, Papá Noel, tremendo músico.
O sea que la salsa es salsa africana y tuviste la oportunidad de hablar con él, de saludarlo, de tomarte fotos y rozarte un poco, ¿verdad?
Sí, y también con Jimmy Cliff, cuando fuimos a Arabia, en Abu Dhabi, ahí cumplí mis 50 años.
¡Wow!
Y ahí me lo festejaron también, ahí conocí a Jimmy Cliff.
¡Wow! Sí. ¡Qué lindo!
Jimmy Cliff me abrazó, y nos abrazamos, nos tomamos una foto, y me dijo, feliz año nuevo, pero con una cosa nomás, cuando él me preguntó, what's your name, boy? Chichi man, hey, why? hey. Me dijo, why? Wow, in Jamaica, Chichima is what was? I know, sir, I know. In my country, it's different. In my country, Chichi, it means the little boy. You see? Little boy, okay, little boy. Chichi, oh, my Chichi, my baby. Okay? And then I was in Boston, I was old already. And my cousin told me, no, you're not Chichi anymore. We have to call you Chichi man from now. Okay, from then, everybody in my family, Chichi man. It was one boy in man, see?
I love it. Gracias por esa anécdota, hermano. Qué bonito. Esos son recuerdos que quedan en el corazón, ¿me entendés? That's beautiful. Y cuando fuiste a ¿cómo se llama la ciudad en Arabia Saudita?
¿Dónde?
En Arabia, ¿cómo se llama la ciudad?
Sí, en Arabia estuvimos de lo magnífico ahí, hicimos un gran concierto, andaba también, con Aurelio Martínez, Garífuna Sol, le gustó ahí nuestra presentación,
wow.
Le gustó bastante y hicimos en Arabia 2 conciertos nomás.
Wow, sí. excelente, man. Eso está tremendo, que la música garífuna se haya transportado hacia el continente africano, porque eso es parte del continente africano, ¿verdad?
Sí, entonces con Andy Palacio recorrimos toda Europa. Fuimos, a Londres, fuimos a Frankfurt, fuimos a, Germany, fuimos a España, fuimos a Portugal, fuimos a Holanda, fuimos a Eslovenia, fuimos a Suiza, Dinamarca, etcétera, bastantes países, bastantes estados allá de Europa estuvimos.
Excelente.
Y haciendo buenos conciertos ahí con Andy, sí, cuando estábamos en Garífuna Collective.
Sí, bueno, felicitaciones para tu persona. Yo creo que eso te ha servido para solidificarte más, para ser la persona que eres. Sí. No solamente eres una persona que ha viajado, que ha traído grandes experiencias rozándose con músicos de renombre mundial, sino que continúa siendo una persona noble.
Cuando yo me conocí con Half Blondie, desde que nos miramos, wow, hey, Half Blondie, what's the matter, man? How are you, my brother? Hey, I see you in the TV, man. Me digo, yeah, man, you know, they call me Chichi, man. Oh, yes? Okay, you my brother, man, you my brother.
Entonces, para los jamaiquinos, chichi quiere decir ¿qué?
Sí, un maricón, un Batman.
Oh, ya, chichimán, okay, sí. Pero, hey, no hay para dónde. Allá en Centroamérica, chichimán es un pequeño, a little boy. Pero también se puede dar a conocer a una persona con el nombre de chichimán, con alguien que le gusta los senos de la mujer también, ¿sí o no?
Sí, también. Sí, en México, allá en Mérida, dicen chichi a las abuelitas.
Ah, wow.
Ahí en Mérida, Yucatán, ahí, pues, ahí le dicen... ahí le dicen chichi a las abuelitas.
Oh, excelente, excelente. Bueno, qué anécdota más lindo. Eso es lo que has vivido a través de tu carrera artística profesional, que te ha llevado a tantos países. Entonces, tu pasaporte tiene que estar lleno de estampillas. Yo creo que
ya tengo el número ya va 7, el 7 pasaporte.
¡Wow! De tanto que le han estampado entrada de salida a diferentes países, se te han acabado rápido. 7 pasaportes.
Ahorita tengo 2 en una.
¡Qué moteada! Y con este año vas a empezar a llenarlo más de sellos de aduanas, porque vas a viajar con este equipo de trabajo que tenés con Elite Carib International. Yo creo que estos muchachos te van a llevar muy alto, y yo creo que el beneficio va a ser mutuo, tanto para el equipo de ECI como para Rolando Chichimán Sosa. Yo quiero recomendarte, porque estás en buenas manos. Yo creo que la unión hace la fuerza, y en especial de que te has unido a un equipo garífuna que ha luchado aquí en este país. Héctor y Pablo han sido luchadores desde el momento que yo conocí a estos jóvenes. Siempre han estado en la vanguardia luchando para dar a conocer la cultura garífuna. Así es de que no te van a defraudar, y yo creo más bien van a poder sonreír y ver los frutos del trabajo que han estado poniendo en el estudio a través del tiempo que han estado trabajando juntos. Así es de que, Chichimán, algo más que querrás decirle al público que nos escucha en vivo y a todo color en todo Estados Unidos y en toda Centroamérica.
Bueno, lo que yo le deseo a todo el mundo, que tenga siempre la reflexión en la cabeza para que nosotros nos podamos unir sin discriminación, sin codicia, sin nada de eso, que todo el mundo se quiera, para que no haya problemas en el mundo, ¿me entiendes, hermano? Y yo le deseo a todo el mundo que pase una feliz noche, y gracias por estar en sintonía de esa emisora tan hermosa que he escuchado yo, y también a ti, hermano mío, pase una feliz noche. Bueno, aquí le voy a pasar a Pablo para que se despida también de la audiencia.
Sará gustareme numada Rolando Chichimán Sosa, abaísen numada. Hey, Pablito, Héctor, yes, come back.
Aquí estoy.
Okay, buena onda.
Ronnie, te mandamos los saludos también. Muchas gracias otra vez, Ronnie, por darnos esa oportunidad de poder estar en la emisora M&B Roots, Radio Centroamérica, con Ronnie Figueroa. Es un placer, Ronnie, siempre para adelante vamos. Así, para eso estamos aquí, para unirnos, para conocernos, pues, y unirnos para poder hacer un trabajo para nuestra cultura, para nuestra gente, y darle algo bueno al mundo.
Excelente, felicitaciones a ustedes por tomar el tiempo de poder estar con nosotros en nuestro programa Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ La Buga. Es un programa que está miércoles a miércoles en vivo a las 7 de la noche hora de Los Ángeles y a las 10 de la noche hora de Nueva York, y yo sé que para ustedes ahorita ya estamos llegando ya a casi a las 12 de la medianoche, son las 11:27 hora ya de Nueva York. Así de que gracias, Pablito, gracias, Héctor, y los micrófonos son tuyos para poder despedir de la audiencia o mencionar algo que se nos haya pasado durante la entrevista.
Pues, hemos dicho mucho y hemos hablado por varios puntos. Lo que le digo a la audiencia es que ese año 2015 es el año que combinamos el talento garífuna musicalmente con el talento garífuna en el término de negocio y pues negocio, mercadeo, promociones. Ya es tiempo que esa combinación se haga, porque en los años 90 hubo mucha música y poco negocio.
Es cierto.
Ahora ya es tiempo que se unan esos dos elementos para que por fin el garífuna se puedan enriquecerse y vivir bien en lo que es de suyo.
De su talento,
una
de su
cosa
cultura.
De su talento. Sino porque lo que ha faltado entre el músico garífuna y los negocios con que han trabajado, ha sido esa persona, una persona asesorado para representar ese músico, ese artista. Es por eso que esa discoteca que está en Belice ha podido lucrarse tanto de la música garífuna, y mira cómo han vivido y han muerto artistas garífunas que han trabajado con ella, pobres. Nosotros ya es tiempo que eso ya viene al fin, Ronnie. El 2015 empieza. Nosotros, el destino para nosotros es de controlar nuestra música. Ese es nuestro destino y lo vamos a lograr. Dios primero.
Y tarala nomás da. Amen. Que así sea. Bueno, I would like to ask you guys to request a song out of all the songs that Chichi Man has been behind the production and in playing the different instruments. Is there anything you guys would like to hear? I like to hear Mala Mujer. I love Mala Mujer, man, from Aurelio Martinez, and I know that Chichi Man had a lot to do with this song as well. Is there another song that you guys want me to play out of all the songs that we mentioned on the albums and so on?
Yeah, for Watina, you can play Beba. I love that song. I love the drops on that song. And there's one other one on there, Pablo, which is named escapes me at the moment.
Which one? Is it the one that he do it with Paul Nabor?
Yeah, the one with Chichi singing. The one with Chichi singing on it. Beba is one of them.
Sin Precio is one.
Okay, I got that.
Is one song.
I got Beba. Beba is coming up next. And then I got Mala Mujer, the one I want. And then you're mentioning the one with Paul Nabor. Which one is that?
Yagane, or it's when Paul Nabor is talking about when he went to the river, he almost lost his life.
Yeah, Yagane, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Canoe.
Correct.
Gotcha.
Correct.
Brother. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, I love that song.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have the team from Elite Carib International, Mr. Pablo Blanco, along with his partner in crime, Mr. Hector Zapata. And we also had the #1 Parrandero coming up in 2015 with these 2 brand new hits that we heard earlier tonight, Mr. Rolando Chichiman Sosa. Thank you so much for spending some quality time with DJ La Buga. We are live and direct from the studios in Long Beach via telephone lines with you guys in New York, where it's freezing, where it's cold, but right here through the telephone lines and through our radio show, we're bringing that warmth and that love to the people who are listening to our show tonight. So, ladies and gentlemen, before I play the songs, anything else that you guys want to add?
Well, I just want to mention to everyone to tune in, to add Chichi, to like his page, which is facebook.com, /Chichi.eci. And we're going to put on there the link to the live stream site so they can view the show on Sunday. So all they have to do is just like his page, and they'll get an update when we update the site with that information on Sunday.
Wow, that is beautiful. Thank you so much for that, man. So we'll be tuning in on Sunday. Los Angeles time will be... let's see, if it's 9 p.m., it will be 6 p.m.
Correct.
Los Angeles time, 9 p.m. Eastern time, and you will be able to listen to Rolando Chichiman Sosa, Garifuna Music with Rolando, and of course the Garifuna Jazz Band. January 11th is on Sunday at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And it's going to be at the Clayton Powell Jr., at the Shrine, located on, can you read the address right there? Because I don't have the address complete on my page.
Yeah, sure. It's 2271 Adam Clayton Powell Jr. Boulevard. It's 7th Avenue. The cross street is between 134th and 135th Street in Harlem, New York.
Beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Here is the music that we selected to play for you. And it's been a presentation of DJ Labuga, Garifuna Music and Talk. And of course, with the help and of course the support from ECI, Elite Carib International. Kemotia. Good night, you guys. Ayo.
Ayo. Ayo. Buitiguyo.
Buitiguyo.
Bayagine, mambo sero na bipo. Bayagine, mambo sero na bipo. Tinha urinu, zamudi ariambo. Ngadir ni balarunale. Tinha urinu, zamudi ariambo. Ngadir ni balarunale. Lanai me buliye guwa, wagu odilia niye. Lanai me buliye guwa, wagu odilia niye. Buliye tahane, taguriya honi wahabu tisanigo. Runu muliye pego sale niyaratu. Buliye tahane, taguriya honi wahabu tisanigo. Runu Epegu sale ni yaratu. Hey! Bye bye yagie mabuzeru na bibo. Oh, lida kudeme. Bye bye yagie mabuzeru na bibo. Oh, lida kudeme. Ai, baba Ailiru lalu du bayo yudunu ya mugali don lu beni baba Kanye nugu yame Habani sanduri tuni buganya Aroga nugu yame Tuni nuwa nugu mania Oh Lirola Yadina uba oh Lirola Yadina uba oh Sanduri tuni buganya Aroga nugu yame Tuni nuwa nugu mania Oh Lirola Yadina uba oh Lirola Yadina uba oh Lirola Yadina uba oh Lirola Yadina uba oh
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga, and we're coming to the end of the show. And I did not want to say goodnight without playing this wonderful parranda song by the man who was our guest tonight, Mr. Rolando Chichiman Sosa. This is a new song. It has not been released. It's only exclusively here in Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. It's called Biama Tigibu. Two-Faced Man, okay? Biama Tigibu. And pay close attention to this song. I think this is going to be the next hit for 2015. I love it. Kemutia. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We got to go. That's what I wanted to say. It's time to go. Good night. Buitiguño. And we'll see you guys next week, Wednesday, when my guest will be Armando Crisanto Melendez from Honduras, from el Ballet Nacional Folclórico de Honduras, live and direct from New York. And, of course, we'll be live from the studios in Long Beach. Good night.
Lui basta capuria lui basta capuria luba buyara jana me lutuwaga nale afara kudana me luo Biamatigibo la uri mulato bimina gairugo luba buyara yana me lutuwaga nale afara kudana me luo Biamatigibo la uri mulato bimina gairugo Biamatigibo la uri mulato bimina gairugo luba buyara yana me lutuwaga nale afara kudana me luo Biamatigibo la uri mulato bimina gairugo Minatina yebe Hallelujah benidie la gelo baba la bujamine tilanye aba habo haragalina go Hallelujah benidie la gelo baba la bujamine tilanye aba habo haragalina go Semekima Shidele oso balina ya no me tuvo.